YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Jonathan, and we are back with another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about how I shifted my identity to expect success, so I had no choice but to show up. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. So the first thing you really have to internalize is that your identity is the root code and the cause of everything you experience in your life. So if you go back in your timeline, bro, and really pay attention to what you had your awareness and focus on before something materialized for you, you'll understand that your identity is what truly manifests, not a technique, not some fucking woo-wah meditation shit, bro. It can work, but it's your belief in that thing for it to work, not the actual thing that got you the thing, bro. So since you understand that your identity, self-concept, self-image is what creates reality, you can begin to understand what the fuck I'm finna say. So how I programmed my identity, how I shifted my identity was very simple. It was very easy. It wasn't no external shit that you have not heard of. It wasn't anything that you have to pay for, bro. It was very easy. So what I did was I got very clear on what I wanted, right? So I got a sheet of paper. I wrote down my goals. And another thing about goals, bro, is like, if you write down goals, it keeps you separate from what you want to experience, because you're identifying. When you write down a goal, you're identifying right now, real time, to yourself. Since we only experience the present moment, we only exist in the present moment. If you write down a goal, you're telling yourself right now, real time, that you don't have that thing. And you're only going to get reflected back that lack and not having that shit. But just for the sake of this video, bro, understand that I got very clear on what I wanted. I wrote that shit down in extreme detail, gang. Like, very detailed, like a whole paragraph, nigga, a whole page of shit that I wanted, gang. So the next thing I did was write down the identity traits and characteristics of the person who would experience that reality or experience those desires. And I just did that shit. And that was it. That's all. I know you were probably thinking I was going to say some fucking scripting technique. I had to do fucking sats. Like, bro, you don't have to do that shit, gang. Like, I know, like in my previous videos, I was talking about that shit, but I really had to lock in and understand that all of that shit, I just got a notification. But I really had to understand and lock in and really tell myself that is just like me trying to escape from the fact that this shit is really actually hella easy. Like, you can go watch all of these other manifestation coaches trying to get y'all to do these all this extra shit, or you can lock in with me and I'll tell you how it is, bro. I'll tell you like some real shit. How it is, gang. It's really easy. That's all I did. I got specific on what I wanted, and I wrote down the traits of the person who would experience that reality, the identity, the self-image, the self-concept, and I just became that person, bro, because I'm a character, gang. I'm not this physical body. I'm not. I'm the observer of this character, gang. My consciousness is the observer of this character. My consciousness is the observer of this reality. So since I know for a fact I'm not this actual reality, when I die, none of this shit exists, gang. So since I'm the observer, I get to do anything I fucking want to, bro. Like a god. Like a god, bro. You have to understand, everything around you is just a reflection of actual God consciousness, bro. You have God consciousness within you. So utilize that shit. This is why in the motherfucking Bible, the entire Bible was just fucking God consciousness trying to tell us what we truly actually are. But niggas fall into the trap of believing that like, religion is something that I have to follow or I'm gonna die and go to this fictional fucking place, go to hell. No, bro. No, bro. That book is a metaphysical book trying to teach you your actual true internal powers, gang. Not this fictional God that's going to send you to everlasting damnation if you don't give him total praise your entire life. You're not a fucking human slave, bro. You're not a human slave, bro. You're supposed to use your own consciousness, the God consciousness that he gave you, the Holy Spirit, and use it to experience your heaven on earth, bro. Your kingdom of heaven on earth, bro. Understand that shit. So like I said, bro, it's no trick or gimmick that's going to get you your manifestation. You are going to get you your manifestation. Every action that you do is going to get you your manifestation because it's you. It's a reflection of you. Everything around you is a mirror to who you are internally at your deepest core. It's a reflection, gang. I'm a reflection of you. I don't exist outside of your perception. You only created me in your perception because you clicked on this video. You seen my physical reflection. You seen my physical manifestation. But if you didn't see this video, you will have no idea I existed because you created me in your mind internally, bro. It's a mental projection that you're just viewing, bro. You're not seeing, you're just receiving. So once you allow yourself to receive, like how you've been doing this entire time, if you allow yourself to receive, you will get the path to experience your desired reality because it's identity based. Like if I go out into my world trying to do all these physical actions to get this reality that I don't have, I'm never going to experience that reality because I'm in grind mode. I'm in grind mode, bro. Instead of actually just being the person that will have that reality and not tripping, just doing the work because that's who you are internally at your deepest core, not trying to grind. Don't listen to these people, bro. Look, if they don't have what you want, bro, don't listen to them because they don't know what the fuck they're talking about. I know what I'm talking about because I experienced this shit firsthand. All of this shit is hella easy. It's designed to be easy, bro. You're just complicating that shit. You're overcomplicating that shit. Understand that, gang. Like, I know you was clicking on this video to like get some new secrets, this new technique. Nah, bro. You're not going to get this in this video. And you're not going to get this on this channel. I'm going to teach you and I'm going to really drill into your head that this shit is very easy. It's nothing outside of you that you have to do in order to get your manifestation. You've been doing this shit your entire life. I'm just making you more aware of that shit, bro. Like, honestly, bro, like your personality is your personal reality. Your personality is your identity. Who you are using your own consciousness as. Understand that, bro. Like, bro, really internalize this shit, bro. You're using your body right now as the conscious observer of the body. Your consciousness animates your outer reality. Your awareness animates your outer reality. This is why it's very important to protect your gaze, nigga. Protect your fucking gaze. What you place your awareness and focus on, you are identifying with those things. You are actively creating those things in your reality. So protect your gaze. Watch what you watch on a daily basis. Watch what you do on a daily basis. Watch what you think on a daily basis, because that's who you are at your deepest core. If you're always trying to distract yourself from your internal, if you're always trying to distract yourself from your external reality, what do you think you're doing to yourself? You're destroying yourself internally. You're sinning against yourself internally. Think about that shit, bro. If you always look outside of yourself for validation or confirmation that you're this identity, then who are you internally? Who is the conscious observer internally? Not this physical body. Fuck this physical body. Who are you internally, nigga? Past these two eyes, past this hair, past all the clothes, past all the material items. Who are you at your deepest core, bro? Ask yourself that question. Be with yourself in meditation. Be with yourself by yourself. Stop hanging out with people. If everything got taken away from you, like social status, engagement, views, followers, material items, cars, clothes, all that shit, who are you at your deepest core? Most people can't be with themselves for more than like 20 minutes, 30 minutes in silence because they don't know themselves. They don't know their true identity. They don't know they're the observer of this avatar. They're the observer of this reality. But that's God consciousness. They're living on this realm as a slave to everything around them. But you have total power and dominion over all that shit because you created it. But if you get indulged in the reflection, if you get indulged in the reflection, then who are you? You're a fallen angel, my nigga. You're not God. You're not God of this reality. If you start getting indulged in the reflection, this is what the Bible was talking about with the fallen angels, the devil. He got too indulged in the reflection. That's like if the artist went to his own auction and bought that nigga own painting. Bought his own fucking painting. Why did he paint the painting if he was going to just buy that shit? Think about it, bro. You're the creator. You are supposed to create shit. You're not supposed to get indulged and start identifying with the creation. You're not supposed to get indulged and start identifying with the reflection. You created that shit. You're above it. You're above everything. Because it only exists in your reality. It only exists because you're able to perceive that shit. You animate the world around you. Because your God consciousness, your awareness, your total awareness. Understand that shit. So this is how you can manifest anything. Because you created that thing, bro. Why do you think these elites and shit went from gold to fucking paper? Because they can infinitely recreate fucking paper, but they can't infinitely recreate gold. Because it's a natural resource. But you can create paper all you want, bro. This is why these elites and shit don't give a fuck about money. Cause they can print this, bro. They can print billions every fucking day, bro. Cause it's paper. It's meaningless, nigga. So if you put your consciousness and awareness under a specific income level or under a specific amount of money, it has power over you. It has dominion over you. Not realizing that you're God consciousness. You created all this shit. So what do you think is going to happen? You're not going to be able to experience that reality because you placed yourself under that shit. Think about it, bro. Think about it. None of this shit, your family members, people placing the things like friends, all that shit would not exist if your unique perspective did not exist, bro. Because you created them internally with a mental projection. And based off of that mental projection, based off of that perception of that mental projection, that's how you experience your own reality. So if in my own mental projection, if in my own simulation and matrix, I perceive this amount of money to be above me, I would never experience that shit. Because I deliberately did that shit, bro. When you see things as hella obtainable, when you see things as hella easy to do, you will experience that reality. Because it's you, it's a reflection of yourself, gang. So this is how you can program yourself to expect success, to expect it to be easy. Because it's yourself. If your identity is in alignment with it being easy, if your identity is in alignment with the work being hella easy and joyful, you will experience that reality. It will be very easy. You wouldn't have to stress. You wouldn't have to work hella hard. You wouldn't have to grind because it's yourself. Who are you grinding against? What the fuck? Who are you grinding against, bro? Come on now, you only got the present moment. So make sure your identity is consistently in alignment with what you want to experience. And you will experience that assumption. You will experience that reflection. If you want to know everything about manifestation, I have a 58-page free ebook where I teach you step by step how to manifest. Link in bio.